think they might have just had a feed. They're all quite active and vocal there. If you've been watching those on our red button or the webcam, you'll notice that of the 9, 2 of them are slightly smaller than the others. A couple of runts in the brood there. But is that because the adults have not been feeding them enough? Let's have a look, because they seem to have been pretty busy over the last few days. We've been doing food counts. Here they are, slightly younger. Lots of caterpillars going in. Those are the things that are eating the leaves. Brood tits are eating the things that are eating the leaves. And then somewhere is a sparrow that might get that brood tit, but that's another story. We've calculated they need 900 caterpillars a day, a brood of 9 brood tits, and at the moment they're getting about 450 something. That might be because of the rain over the last few days. Rain washes these caterpillars off of the trees and makes them inaccessible to the tits. Robins and blackbirds beneath have a bonanza, but the tits are struggling. So there's a lot of hard work for those tits to be doing down there, actually, at this